there's a fucking bird literally on my car. It's literally on the hood of my car. Like, it's literally on my windshield. No freaking way. Like, I don't want to honk the horn or anything because I don't want to, like, cause a scene, but, like, what the hell? Come on, bird. You gotta get out of my car. Come on. Like, I'm Uber driving and this is what's happening. Come on, bird. Get out of my car. I don't even want to put the windshield wipers up because I don't want to hurt the bird, so. Come on, bird. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Come on, bird. Hold on. There's a freaking bird. There's a bird in my car. Holy shit. Oh my god. Hey, bird. Shoo. Shoo. Get out of here. There you go. He's gone. He's gone. All right, awesome.